Yeah. And an Alice style around here.
Yeah, I'm not doing this.
I'm not doing this and an Alice this.
Nobody run us another KFC, cause RFC is a thing about here. I told you before, it's RFC. Only one and only RFC.
The chicken here better than KFC. The real chicken this.
Jamaican land crabs are a popular street food here. You'll find it mostly on the streets of Kingston. Today, we'll be checking out Miss Nadine, a well-known street crab seller on Mountain View here in Kingston. We'll see how she prepares her crabs, seasoned with hundreds of hot-scotch bonnet peppers, scallion, and thyme. She does boiled corns with chicken foot and cow skin soup. Also, curry chicken is on the house. All that and more coming up in this video. Crabs them there enough. Oh yes. When they ask the whole process to crab them there enough people, man, telling them. Crazy. Hey, I want to hey, come here, boy. Where we go?
And I'm a sign, you know.
Yeah.
I'm a sign, you know. Can't sign.
Are you sign?
Yeah, man, I'm a sign.
So you're born,
sign.
but you're born to sell crab then, man. Them can't take that from you.
I'm a sign.
Can't, man. Them can't take this. Hey, a Jamaica national treasure, this, you know. Mama, not deal, you know, man. Real. But them funny and big though. Crazy vibes, people. Right at the Mountain View police station. On the once you come at the Mountain View police station, now go find her. This is a pretty safe area at that too, so you can just feel safe to come here to come eat some crab. You see the police station the right over there, sir. No jokes, just feel safe to pass through here and get some crabs. One of Jamaican national treasure. She right here, so I'm telling you, we did have to pull up. So see the pots them lying off right here. And we're going to see crabs and season. Scotch bonnet pepper, crazy vibes out here. Yeah man, so the crab them pretty and I run up and now. Fresh crabs when I get. Fresh crabs. Yeah man. Hey mama Nadine, why tell the people, let me say, I mean catch the fire this morning, you know. Oh, we done big fire catcher. Crazy vibes.
God catch the fire, man.
Alright, yes man. Crazy vibes. I give them everything same way. Them get them corn same way right here. Them soup.
Yeah.
Them get them corn, them soup. For them scotch here, man. Woo. Lots of pepper, lots of seasoning. Lots of pepper and a lot of seasoning. Yes, man. No joke. What kind of soup on the menu?
Cow skin and chicken foot.
Cow skin and chicken foot.
Yeah.
Eat up all of that pepper, yes, man. The boy there take time push out him foot, watch him. Go on. In the pot here, go.
Hold them.
Go on. Yes, man. Yes, I am. How long it take to boil a big pot of crab like this, Mama Nadine?
Alright, depends on the fire blazing.
Oh.
It can take an hour.
Oh, makes sense.
An
Makes
hour
sense.
when you know it's properly soaked.
Yeah. Makes sense, real. Makes sense for the amount of blazing we are going.
Alright, you know the time of year, yeah?
Yeah.
The crab them, the shell them kind of soft. Because them a change out for the crab season.
Oh,
Hello,
real.
sweetie. Big up.
Oh.
So that
Wow.
time if you get some crab and the shell soft and a spoil, you know.
Yeah.
The shell does soft. And you know them eat more nicer them
They
time
make more
of year,
nicer.
yeah?
They
Yeah,
come
man.
like same like crayfish, man, because crayfish have a time when the shell soft same way.
Yeah, them.
Okay. Wow. Nice. Beat out the pepper when you know that crab are going nice. You know? That smell like lot of skeleton there. Oh yeah. Boy, if you all that people them wanna eat crab, I tell you no, no miss out. No miss out. A lot of scotch bonnet pepper, a lot of pimento, a lot of skeleton, all of them things there for the crab pot. Yeah man.
For the powder season.
Yeah man, I'm a well seasoned down, you know. And crab get this, Jesus.
Yes, I remember when you boil them. When you boil them, you have to put them in the cold water, else they're going to lose them foot.
Oh.
Yes, because when the water hot, and you put them in there, them just leg up.
Them just drop off.
Yeah, them just
cause
leg
them
up.
can let go them can let go them claw them foot
Yeah
them.
man, them foot just
Okay.
proper. I remember you know, treat hot and them a try come out, them a them just leg of them.
Yeah. True. Them leg go them own limbs.
Yeah, them leg of them.
True. First skeleton, first time, well washed down in a pot. Big pot for the crabs. Take time setting them right there. Yeah man.
Wow!
Boy, people, she's strong, you see man. Not take her simply, no, she well strong, me I tell you. Load up. Nice. Right, you know that. I'm assuming a beer pepper. So none of them ever hold it. That it?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Grab you? Good?
Yeah.
Peas and peas. Eh?
You see all them little claw, yeah?
Yeah.
If it ever hold you, you see?
Jeez, I
Mama.
make God take you. Eh?
Hot, bite you and bust up your hand.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Right in a pot there I go. Bad.
Bad like a
Yeah,
yard.
big boy, yeah?
Me I
Whoa.
tell you.
Jeez, I can't hold him for me. Hold him for me.
Alright.
Big boy.
You know what kind of crab this?
A man crab.
Alright, the man carry the penis right here.
Right there, so yeah man. The female one them broad.
Alright.
Right in a pot there I go. Big boy. Yeah, man.
And the female them better than the man, you know. See the female have the broad apron.
Yeah, man. Brad, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Great. So, you see the vibes. A lot of vibes. A lot of cooking on the street side. A lot of crabs. Yeah, man. Clean, nice, pretty crabs. You know, I get live. Them are going to pot live. Them not, you know, not eat no dead crab right there. Because Mama Nadine play when it comes to her cooking. Crazy, authentic vibes, and where they are from. To catch it from the scratch. Oh, she do her thing. I will see how she season up that with all of that scotch, bonnet pepper, all of that skelly and that thyme. All of them pretty nice crab. They are going at that right now. Go boil up. Bubbling in that right now. Look at that. Yes, man. Pure bubbling that going on in that. All of them are turn one set of family in that. Yeah, man. One set of family, all of them gone turn in that. One big pretty family. Yeah, man. One big pretty family, may I tell you, man. Here crabs in that pot look pretty. I mean, I tell you, that the taste of that when that done boil up with all of that seasoning. Oh, may I tell you. Yes, man.
Remember, put the crab them in the pot alive.
Always alive.
Yeah, don't put them in dead.
Alright.
It will sick you.
It will sick. Listen to them information there. Yes, man, just get them information there on the brain. It will sick you. Always put them in the pot live. And this is what we see right here, live in front of me. All of them are run up and down and I run from the flames. Live crabs. Yeah, man. What's that one here? I try to climb out. Yeah, man. Right at Mountain View Police Station. Yeah, man. On the can't miss her. Right at GX Road. Mountain View Police Station right over there. So on the can't miss. Pretty safe here. Just forward. Come enjoy and get some food. Enjoy the nice yard vibes, scenery right here. So cover that down. Yeah, man, cover that down. Watch them in that. Them pretty, you know? But pretty. Yes, man. All of that I go and boil up, you know. Yeah, man. Fresh gone. Why you just come from market, man?
Yeah. I just come out, I have to start small with the smaller pot
Yeah,
and the stove.
yeah. Build back the vibes the right way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say, give them a roast can to or just boil.
No, I just start the roast can.
Yeah.
Okay.
Give them a boil.
Yeah, I just warm with the boil.
Alright. Yeah, man, expect some boil cans. It's pretty early in the morning, but you know Jamaican sun not play as early as it be in the morning. I just after 9, I tell you no. The sun not play, the sun red. Crazy vibes here, so just expect some boil cans, some nice pretty crab, some soup and crazy good vibes, man, when you touch at that spot, yeah. Yeah, man.
Ese me algo.
Eh? So hold on. I'm going to ask you already. How you know when the cow skin is soft? Or when you buy them, I just risk you have to take.
Yeah, you don't.
Just take a risk.
Yeah.
Yeah, some of them very look on them.
Yeah. And you have some of them, you know, they might have big and thick, you know. And you think them tough and them not tough.
They're not tough, for real.
I said they're not tough.
It's all of that cow skin and chicken food for the soup. Soup pot right there, so I take time go on. Come on, you know, see the can them over here. Can them look pretty. And big crab pot over there, so yeah, man. chicken foot are white and pretty though. Yeah, they're not bad looking at all. White and pretty. All of them in that make them go and boil out. Yeah man, that's a chicken foot and a cow skin. That is one of the main soup on the streets. Once you're getting soup from the streets, mainly I go see chicken foot with cow skin. Yeah man, crazy vibes. All of that chicken foot and cow skin gone in that pot now. Boil along with all of that peas, that skelly and that garlic, everything. Fully boil out and soft out, so you know say when you bite a piece of that skin, yeah man.
Your fingernail them clean.
Always. Whoa. Hey, you don't play now. You say cleanliness, you know.
Godliness.
You say cleanliness, man. True. All of the goodies them to the soup. Look at this one. Oh, it's sweet potato, everything. Yeah man. Nice carrots, sweet potato, pepper, yam, breadfruit. Yeah man, everything for the soup pot, I tell you. Crazy soup vibes. Yeah. Good old soup, this man. You get your cocoa, your yam, your dasheen, your breadfruit, cheese and peas, a sweet potato. Yes, man. Good old soup, man. Yes, man.
Show the nice people them the nice clean bathroom also.
Yeah.
The nice restroom.
Right side of you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right now, this is a must in the street food industry, you know, right? It's not dinner, right? So she'll do the cooking right inside the bathroom, so people can know, say, it's no plating. Now at the time, so I'm actually standing in the bathroom. The Nadine is just right across the road, literally about 5 seconds. So who asks about bathroom, Nadine have her bathroom. She just across the road right here, and this is her bathroom that she uses. So don't know the thing. Yeah, like, would have show the people of this because everybody asking about washing hands and bathroom. She have running water, she have bathroom. Crazy vibes, yeah, head back cross over there. Yeah, man. But that pepper you rank, man.
Oh, you get the pepper them? No. You have first pick. You have some pepper. I'm not a farmer, but I know the pepper them.
Yeah.
During the time I buy crab. You have some pepper. The first set of picking them always hotter than the second.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice.
I remember you pick a set of pepper and then them grow back again.
Grow back again. True,
and you
true.
pick again.
Yeah.
So you know the taste drop.
Okay. Load up the can pot. Oh, yes, man. Oh, look on the goodness here, man. Look on them goodness here, man. Alright, Mama Nadine, cover him down, never keep him cook down. Yes, man.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh. All that chicken foot, all that skin, all that pumpkin, all that yam. Yeah, man. All of that cocoa, all of that sheen. Yeah. Crab pot over this, I go and simmer down same way. That's a vibe.
Just a season. You're still alright. Then you want me to just a season. Just a to the top. So give it the next 10 minutes. Yeah? You want something to drink now? You tell me if you want it, you know. That's your choice.
Spinners to the soup pot, you know. Great to see Auntie Nadine, you know. Yeah, soup pot coming on nice. The crab pot basically finish up right now. We have a can them over there. So can ready to done.
Yeah.
Alright. Pumpkin gate, a bright orange color. Make it look good. Yeah, man. Nice.
So the barber fry. Barber fry.
Ooh.
And the curry chicken.
Curry chicken there. Nice. Yeah, man. You look well nice. Yes, I. Oh, yeah. This is not crab, this is curry chicken. Literally right beside Nadine restaurant inside. So Nadine on the outside, I boil up the good crabs them and thing. We are going to go down in the crabs them and the soup and everything, but right on the inside. good food I cook. So anytime when you come and say, even if you don't feel for soup, you can get food also. Crazy curry chicken, fried chicken, barbie fry and all them things there, right? Same place. This is the building. This is the building right there. So it's not in there outside. So we're gonna bounce up some food right now. Some curry chicken. And we have a big bucket cover because you know the plate hot. This is the vibe, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Huh?
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. So now, I win an ES food, yeah.
Then, mama, tell you.
Yeah,
Man, we take 2 dip out of this and I tell you the flavor start kick already.
Yeah,
Jeez, Oh yeah. Yes, man. This is the vibe right here. Crazy crabs. And the crabs them finish right about now. We're gonna go down in the crabs too. And we know we have to go down now this curry chicken. Just the smell of this, I tell you now, get a crazy rich smell, and the color also. Oh yeah. This is the real Jamaican vibe. Nothing like getting some cool curry chicken on the street side. Yeah, man. Yes, man. Yo, this tastes good. This tastes so good, for real. This curry chicken tastes so good.
Hello?
Curry chicken today, crab today, soup today. You know the vibes. Right here on Mountain View at Jake's Road. Mountain View, right at the police station. Crazy food and crabs are cooked right there, sir. Oh yeah. This tastes real good. No joke, man. Real food. So if you go forward, on the bounce of soup and a crab restaurant right on the same building. Let's get some real Jamaican fried chicken or some curry chicken or barbie fry or anything there on the menu that day. Will be just as great. Yeah, man. Right down in the crab pot after eating a lot pork. Oh yeah. This is where I want to see. Woo. Nice. Oh. Yes, I drop off some more coal for Auntie Nadine.
Yes, man.
Alright, yes, man. You know the coal needed for blaze the pot, them, you know. Alright. Yes, man. So this is what you see. When you pass on the street side, you have to see the crabs them in the pot. Right, that's how I hang up on the roadside. So you know on the plating. Crazy street food vibes here, man. I will see this spot, these crabs go in from scratch. And look at this right now. Everything I load up now for go up on the street side. of the lady who saved Jamaica. Saved the street food. Yeah man. Jamaica national hero this man. Huge pot of crab unload right. Huge pot of crab unload. So when you pass on the street side and when you see the crab pot right there, so this is where it come out. When you see the crab pot right there, so with all of that crab hanging out, all of the legs and the claws and everything, this is where it come from. This is where it start from. And then it go in a pot. Stay right on the street side, so as soon as I drive by and you can see right at Mountain View at Jake's Road at the police station. And I tell you no man, I have some Nadine now. Real Nadine, this another fake one. Load up that pot, well, load up. And got that man. Well, load up. Oh yeah, this is it. Aye. Beard them in that juice. Beard them in that juice. Yes. Beard them in that juice. Why? Look on that. Just on the street side. So as you now pass, you can see this right on the main. Look on all this juice, man. Man. Yeah. That is the vibe here, man. That's the vibe here. So no know the vibe, we are going to some crab right now. I know now wait, you know. We are going to the crab, man. Yes, man. This is my plate. Hi. This is our plate. Ooh. Yeah.
Soup and food there. What kind of food Simon have in the plate?
Curry chicken, barbie fry. And something. Ooh. Hey, this I get hot. Oh man. Give some food in there. Yeah man.
Yo, big up the thing. Big up my general, you hear that? I remember our channel name. I don't told me this here first time.
Yard Life.
Yard Life.
Big up,
feature
man.
one little lady road. That lady name right beside the arcade this one. Big up your damn self.
Every time.
Yard Life TV.
See,
you hear that?
honorable.
It's not a Hard Life TV.
Honorable, big time.
Yeah,
see?
man, big up me and the soup.
And big up my Nadine. Yeah.
Anna Alice style around here.
Yeah, Nadine this.
Yeah, Nadine this, Anna Alice this.
Alright. Hi. This is the crab right here. I don't know the vibe. Big, huge pot of crabs on the street side. We are going to dive into this right now. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Crab time, I know the vibe. I don't know the crazy vibe. But I don't know. Once you eat crab, just walk with some wipes. It helps. Me I tell you now. Crazy vibe. So, we have to dive into this, but we are clean up the nails them and clean up the hand. Yes. Crab vibes. pretty decent, pretty area, I tell you. Just forward, has to come link up Nadine now for the good crabs. Yeah. Big up. Every time, big up. See it. Yes, man. See it, yeah, man. See it, yeah, man. Woo.
Juicy and nice.
Man.
Just catch it there, man. You follow here now. Yeah, just when you call it, you follow here.
Real, man. Respect, man.
Yeah.
Respect, man.
Really.
Joe.
Yeah.
Whoa. And crabs are soft. Soft. As the Auntie Nadine said. The shell's more soft than this. Wow. So them crabs are small and soft. You just a chop everything one time. Wow. One of the class. One all this meat, man. Pure meat. And the juice, the flavor. All of that spice. Jesus. Here, juice, I run out. Woo! See it, man. See it, man. Pretty clean, nice crabs. We see this wash and go in at the pot. Oh yeah. Yeah, man. This is another part of the crab. This is the belly. So you take off the back shell, which is this part. You take off the back shell and take off any little thing just right around this area right here. Just take off all of that. And you see inner so pure meat and more food left on it. All of this is meat. All of that is meat. You just keep chewing that and get out all of that juice. One thing Nadine never fail me. Crab sweet. All of this right here. Just like when you curry, see all this part, you just dip that all in some gravy. See like how we have the little crab water right there, so we rub up that in and that just like this. And get that wet again. Yeah. What? You know what I'm saying? Nadine, I go. A mash up crab. Yes, man. Oh, you ever cook here and eat it? Four legs. 4 legs. And you can put all of them 4 legs in our mouth. 2 of them small and soft.
400 $400.
All of these shells just basically melt up because they're soft. As Anthony said at the time, like now, the shell's more soft than normal. So all of that juice mixed with the shell, mixed with the meat inside. And of course, we still have more of that curry chicken right there. Still have more curry chicken. This is just a great food day. Restaurant right beside the crab place. More crab. Crab and curry chicken. Yo, the juice we're getting out of this just juice is just incredible. This just tastes so good. Come on, just pop a foot and just go right in. Wow, crab sweet. This is the vibe here, man. This is the vibe here at the new spot. But mommy not in. Just pull up right beside the police station. You'll get corn, soup, and fresh Jamaican boiled land crabs. And also the restaurant right here cook real good food. No plating. Just like that, by the minutes, by eating all of these feet down to the claw, down to the belly. Just like that, by the minutes that done. Yo, the crab leg soft. I say I can burst the crab leg with my finger. Just to show you how soft it is. Just look at this. Look how soft the crab legs are. For real. I like that juice on me. Yeah, man. And just like that, everything done and empty out. Just like that, everything done, empty. 2 crabs just gone like that. Oh my God. This is the vibe, man. I tell you. Land crabs when prepared real good and proper, me I tell you now. Right now my tongue a bun me. Crazy vibes here on Mountain View, right at Jake's Road. Yes. And after eating all of that crabs, you know we have to go into the soup. You know we have to test out the soup. We see this from scratch with all of that peas, that cow skin, that chicken foot, all of the yam, the potato, pumpkin, all of that. And if after eating all of that crabs and curry chicken, we have to go into some of the soup, man. And more corn boil. More corn boil up. We not eat no corn, man. We drink some soup. From scratch. Woo. It's spicy. You feel that down in your throat, the spice. It's like 1,000 pepper put in this. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh, thin. Oh. Cold skin chicken foot vibes. This is the vibe here at the new spot, man. Find Nadine right, so all our supporters want to know to find our right here at Mountain View, Jake Road, right at the police station. Crazy street food vibe. Yeah, man.
Look out! Oh, watch it till the end now. Hey, don't move that dial in the way I do. Hey, go back on it. Story of my life. My life is filled with ups and downs. Story of my life. My life is like a rocky road. Story of my life. RFC again, you know. RFC, one RFC again, you know. Richie,
Rich.
one RFC again. Some short friend, yeah? Short boss. Him know RFC, you know. So we run the globe.
Real deal, man.
No, we run the group. Food in here, so hot stove. 33 Kingston Street.
Oh, it's very easy, you know.
Me and I gonna come to comment about that.
What will cut the wire, man?
Four the window make them sung properly, yeah?
Four limit them sit down. Yeah.
Where the season to the bone?
Mm.
Come on, this is the favorite song prayer, DP Combs. Come on, promoting the greener roads. Come on, that's not a ice cream parlor, 33 Kingston Street, to feel the immune system and the sexual fountain, all the fountains of your body. Yeah man, greener roads is available at Thomas Ice Cream Parlor, 33 Kingston Street.
RFC to the world. No.
The RFC to the
I'm a success story. RFC to the world. Saying, walking ATM. Oh yeah. Already, man. Already.
I want them. Cheaper.
baddest chicken fry in the entire Jamaica, you know.
You know. One RFC, I wheel at the street, champ the mark of the base. You know, one RFC. Chicken well finger licking away, you know, not stray.
Real.
Yeah, man. Money. Yes, man. Hey, people, I want to look for that thing right to the end, you know. You know what I mean? Watch the thing right down to the end, kind of normal thing and a formal thing, I'm telling you already now. I told you before, it's RFC. Only one and only RFC. Nobody run us no KFC, cause RFC is a thing about here. Rollington town to the world. East to the world.
Load him up to the brim.
Yeah, man, I watch this, people. I don't want to feel like a hype thing or a just come thing. This is what we are doing over the years. Loading this fryer to the capacity. That's something we do normally. And that's something we are trying to do. Something we do normally. And I like we are trying to impress somebody. That's something we do normally. This is not something like we're family. That's something we do normally.
Yeah. Load him up to the brim.
I want me. Yeah, it's sticking out.
This man sell more chicken than KFC. If you don't believe a lie me I tell, just watch this video.
One go. One go. Yeah, 100 people we can kick away one time we fry one batch. You see me?
Just
yeah,
like
man, what you talk about? Yeah, one batch. Fully.
Pull up now, man.
Yeah?
I'm going to set up. Pull up now.
Oh, yeah, full up, man. Full up, man. Hey, 189 pieces of chicken we are dropping at this. Alright, if you don't believe you can count them when they come out.
Load up the fryer to the brim. 108. What is it? 189 piece?
Yeah.
One time, the money had the baddest chicken fryer in the entire Jamaica. Just look on this if you don't think a joke.
And if you don't believe you can count them when they come out back, I will add more too. Yeah. When them name Final Destination and them are going last. Alright, see it now, this name closer play now.
They say I close him down now.
Yeah, the last 2 pieces are going.
5 minutes after this drop, just check back the pan, dirt bombs, and then a girl thing.
Yeah,
millions, RFC, yo, them man a chicken, brother.
Yeah.
Just come circle.
Yeah, fully RFC, millions. RFC to the world, diamonds to the pearl.
Sure, cashing from early for my chicken, you know.
The chicken just gone in.
Wait,
Yeah,
catch in from early.
Yeah, man.
Watch a man you catch in from early. One catch first position.
Man.
Money in a bag.
Can't wait finish now.
Can't come out back.
Can't wait from the pot.
Story of my life. My life is filled with ups and downs. Story of my life. My life is like a rocky road. Story of my life. I show the smile and hide the frown. Story of my life. It ain't easy, I don't know. Darkness in my life, yeah. Everything I do is fail. I've been in this dungeon, trying to find the light of day. Is that the man who works harder? Is the man who works and save? Don't judge a book by the cover. Take time to turn the page. Story of my life. My life was filled with ups and downs. Story. My life was filled with ups and downs. Yeah, man, we are make the bed. We are make the bed right now for putting the chicken in. Proper, clean, nice, right bed for the chicken in, you know? Yeah. So many crime in the street. No. The youth them there.
Too much man they are jail from a day you no hear. No see the judge and still no get bail. Enough they are jail and empty shit pail. Woman cry when she see her son behind rail.
Get the warning but still don't hear. Now you facing your time in jail. I don't get the money to keep my gun. Like water, so much blood I run. Crime rate at up in a Kingston. So many crime in the street. No. They use them now with a please. No. All I see is government and jail. Not even know what I want. Everywhere me turn to a war. So me stay far from government and jail.
Too much man they are jail from a day you no hear. No see the judge and still no get bail. Enough they are jail and empty shit pail. Woman cry when she see her son behind rail.
Get the warning but still don't hear. Now you facing your time in jail. So many crime in the street. They use them now with a please. All I see is government jail. My gun, like water, so much blood I run. Crime rate it up in a Kingston. What be a man them now put it down. All I feel man them now run. Stand up with the 16 when Babylon a come. When this war will done, say our daughters and our sons. So many crime in the street. They use them now with a peace. All I see is coffin and jails. Lord, me no know what I want. I don't get the money to keep my gun. Like water, so much blood I run. Crime rate at up in a Kingston. What be a man them now put it down. All I feel man them now run. Stand up with the 16 men Babylon a come. When this war will done, say our daughters and our sons. How long, Max? The youth them now will be. All I see is government jail. Nothing I know what I want. Everywhere me turn to a war. So we stay far from government jail.
Too much man they are jail from a day you no hear. No see the judge and still no get bail. Enough they are jail and empty shit pail. Woman cry when she see her son behind rail.
Get the warning but still don't hear. Now you facing it. I don't get the money to keep my gun. Like water, so much blood I run. Crime rate at up in a Kingston. But be a man them now put it down. All I feel man them now run. Stand up with the 16 men Babylon a come. That's what I'm done.
That's a rotation.
Rotation period right now. That's my rotation.
It's named rotation period.
That's my rotation period is.
Alright. No raw chicken. This called rotation period. The fryer load to the brim. But this man have a technique when use. This is it right now. This is called rotation period. So those what up on top are come out right now and go down at the bottom and down. And that what the down at the bottom actually coming up on top. Crazy vibe.
Watch ya. Watch ya. Watch this now. Crazy. Yo. Anytime I hear. Yo, MG. Yeah, man, let's snap back. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. I'll care for you, baby. I'll care for you. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. Rough you. You know that I'll be there for you. I'll care for you, baby, I'll care for you. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. Rough times I'll care for you, baby, I'll care for you. Spend money on you to a nursing school. Never know what for you. Don't play no games, cause I'm no fool. Just know my love is true. Just know my love. I'll be there for you whenever. Baby, when you call I answer. Never delay to be I wonder. For you I'll be your soldier. Stand by your side my lover. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. I'll care for you, baby, I'll care for you. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. Rough times I'll care for you, baby, I'll care for you. See the struggles you've been through, baby. Family's turn their backs and you, yeah. Never get to finish schooling. I will help you with them subjects. Don't worry, I'll be there when you go. Whatever you ask me for, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. Come on, my boss. I'll care for you. Look that song. Baby, I'll care for you. I'll look in your song. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. Okay. Pretend I'll care for you. One hour alone can do it. Spend money and you do a nursing school. Never know what for you. Alright, alone can do it. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. I'll care for you, baby. I'll care for you. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. Rough times I'll care for you, baby. I'll care for you. See the struggles you've been through, baby. Families turn their backs and you, yeah. Never get to finish schooling before. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. I'll care for you, baby. I'll care for you. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. Rough times I'll care for you, baby. I'll care for you. Spend money on you to a nursing school. Never know what for you. Don't play no games, cause I'm no fool. Just know my love is true. Just know my love. I'll be there for you whenever. Baby, when you call I answer. Never delay to be I wonder. For you I'll be your soldier. Stand by your side my lover. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. I'll care for you, baby, I'll care for you. I'll be there for you.
Them man ready. Them man ready to go.
Rough times I'll care for you, baby, I'll care for you. See
ready
the
to go.
struggles you've been through,
One RC.
Friends turn their back and
What it means now? RFC to the
never to finish schooling. I will help you with them subjects. Don't worry, I'll be there when you call. Whatever you ask me for, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. I'll care for you, baby. I'll care for you. I'll be there for you.
They say work with the weight of the chicken.
Yeah, man, work with the weight of the chicken, man. Not the looks.
Yeah.
Not the looks. When we are cook food, we don't work with looks. We work with the weight. See the weight of the chicken.
So you know we're ready from one already?
Yeah, we know we're ready for one already. So the weight of the chicken, know if it's ready and well finger licking. You know? Yeah man, light. When it's light, you know, say ready for the road. Yeah man. Over here. Over here. RFC to the world. Come on. Well juicy, well juicy, well juicy. This name juicy chicken, well finger licking way. Juicy chicken.
Wow, just like that. Hey, the play the RFC boss, man.
Yeah, RFC.
And I'm on know America, you know?
I'm a professional, man. Long time we are this, man.
Wow.
Long time we are this, man.
This man a play when it comes to frying chicken. The man where could wait. To the year the man said the man where could wait at the chicken. Crazy, crazy vibe.
One RFC. See that? Yeah. RFC to the world.
Ready, batch.
Yeah, man. It's again ready, but
Whoa.
well hot.
Wow.
Yeah, man. Chicken them pretty, man. See like how them look, so them taste. Catch a look. Catch a look. Yeah, my friend. Nice and low on the so see my mom for chicken and get the phone. Lock off the mouth and now. Please the broke off. Everything did now. Yeah. One pound of chicken and every piece of this finger licking. I want me say, 1 pound of chicken and every piece of this finger licking. Yeah man. One RFC. Yeah. Yeah, so it's a chicken fry from 3 bills. Then we go down to 250 and simmer him down, get him tender and nice. You understand me I say? And we flick him up back to 300, 350 fries we are going to fry. It have to fry up on the temperature there. So you don't have no oil in it, yeah? See it now? Listen to the sound. Yeah. RFC, boss. RFC to the world. Millions, boss for every boss.
Crazy vibes when you come here at RFC in Rollington town. on Gilchrist Street, I tell you, I go get that vibe because this man is always that jovial, even when he cook. Crazy, crazy authentic vibe out here, man. Pure chicken a fry, fries a fry. Whoa.
My story, success story. Only God knows all the pain I feel. Like away in the penitentiary. 5 years, 6 months was real. Couldn't get to see my first mom, but God was there for him. What it meant for bad turned out just good for me. I'm a success story. Look at me now. Yes, I'm a success story. No, I'm a success story. What's the now? I'm a success story. Golden brown, we're going now. Golden brown, we're going. We got chips now. When we got chips, we got saggy. We got golden brown.
No oil.
Yes, no oil. See, when you squeeze it, finger dry. Yeah.
Just like that.
Well, not ketchup, right? Come on, up and ready, my boss. Up and ready. RFC. For real. See it?
Yeah, my bread you want tie. Drop some more chips, I just. Pepper it up.
Real.
Wellington Town. Jeffy. That is it. Soft man. Then this one. Then I eat them. Every day.
It's a 1 RFC.
Every day.
Whoa.
Very partner, Lord. One yard life. One RFC to the world. Reaching millions fully. When a normal, what thing the formal? Damn nigga. Yeah. Yeah, cause. Yeah, man, they are one.
How much is that again?
Only 7. 7 for 1, yeah. Yeah, man, see that, man. Yeah. My part of the chicken, never part finger licking.
Anything, man.
Oh, they look like I read recipe, but remember, say me a cook. Yeah. Yeah, moment. Cheapies. Leg tie and wing. Yeah. Yeah, you know, so the salt and fries taste good now because without the proper right amount of salt on the fries, if it's fresh, it's not gonna taste good.
If it's too salt,
If it's too salt, worse.
Oh yeah.
I got one for me then. I have to remember, you know, RFC is a one-man band, you know. Me alone work. Cause no chicken with the jerk. Oh. Here we go. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I will have a natural juice on the ends also. Yeah, we have the beetroot, we have pine, and we have a thinking toe magnum punch.
It's a thinking
but
toe.
we have all different flavor in season. Sahai all natural. You can check it out online.
Yeah, to Friday. Friday. Friday, I mean Friday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Saturday.
No, for fries to get on the kernel and see the whole heap of fries to get on the kernel. Kernel give about 10 pieces of fries, watch her. Me give about 30 pieces and 40.
Oh, the other them just are coming so. Never out.
No, they're coming like crazy, man.
Wow.
It's a double box. Juicy. Sita, Sita. Sita. You want hip like you?
I like ribbon.
You like what?
I like ribbon, I like thigh.
Like and tie, what about that?
More than
Yeah. Yes, baby.
Food man this.
7 and 9. 30.
Oh yeah.
Damn, baby. Yeah, man. I'm not united. I tell you, so that girl, that pretty man, I eat RFC chicken. Yeah, no, don't say that. Boss, come on, you're right. One and only, RFC.
RFC to the world.
Yeah, come on. Hi, baby.
spicy one. That one they recommend the pie? This one.
Beg your wing now, my friend. Can't beg your wing from the KFC here, so. You miss no begging. They're not real chicken, that's what I beg you. A real chicken, you're saying, my general. That's I said, my general, you're not begging the wing. Beg your hand back.
Yes, yes.
All right, baby. More again. Oh, you want? Yeah, go over here. Where is it, darling? There. There. Yes, baby. What about for you? Are you gone? Pass it. Check out that leg now. You must say, you know his name.
RFC.
RFC to the world.
One of the wickedest chicken seller in the whole entire Kingston. This man pack him fryer to the brim. I mean, I tell her, this chicken come out so perfect. Just look on this. Every minute, a batch of fries after fried. This is how the man do it, man. RFC. Well. Right on Gilcher Street, Rallington Town. Crazy, authentic chicken frying out here. Wow, see? To the world. Wow. This is a vibe here in Rallington Town. People from all about pull up just to get them chicken, them fries and chicken on a Friday and a Saturday. That's the vibe out here. Yeah, man. More fries are gonna drop. Look at that.
Still on your leg line. So.
More fries. Crazy RSC vibe. Chicken fry, all nice. Soak right through, down to the bone, season down to the bone. Crazy vibes, man.
Constant selling, non-stop. You know you got. Y'all get tired of winning one, yeah? 1800. Yeah, man.
She's all alone, can't wait just to get it on. I've been here all by myself. It's been so long, can't wait just to get it on. I need you and no one else. I've been here all by myself. Baby girl, it's been a while. From morning on my mind, babe. Got me thinking about you, baby. How we gonna be today? All things that I like when you back it up. I'm feeling you all over me, inside me and outside. Oh, I'm so crazy, baby. I got a phone call from my baby, she's all alone. Can't wait just to get it on. I've been here all by myself. It's been so long. Can't wait just to get it on. I need you and no one else. I've been here all by myself. Baby girl, it's been a while. From morning on my mind, babe. Got me thinking about you, baby. How it's gonna be today? Often I tell you that I like when you back it up. Your friend's position, close and lock it up. Baby, break it down. Baby, take it slow. Baby, take it easy.
Godfather.
Take it easy. I got a phone call from my baby, she's all alone. Can't wait just to get it on. I've been here all by myself. It's been so long. Can't wait just to get it on.
One man band. I'll come in here. Yeah, boss. No, you look at yellow back. Non-stop chopping. This is the way me chop the lines. Yeah, non-stop. One next one, breast. Tie, alright. RFC to the world, one RFC. Yeah, I got it, man. Ribbon, huh? RFC to the world. One RFC. Yeah man, Vibe Master in the house, and a rat and a mouse. Come up front, Slimman. All right, Slimman, you are the winner. Yeah, again. Chips only, and no macaroni.
I don't work with you.
No, I'm not working with you either. Fat sauce, that's enough.
Boy, chef chicken and run out in space a minute.
No, tell him, man. No time.
You might do help me.
No. She will put chicken in. Second batch.
Take me to the comfort zone.
1 million boss, RFC to the world, 1 million boss.
I know you know to please me, baby. I know to please the lady. So special, I adore. I deserve to find. Let's have some fun this my fears away. Just a little tenderness at the end of the day. All I need to chase my fears away. Lingering thoughts of this morning, taking root in my. Your magic got me crazy. I wanna spend my life with you. You make me feel alright, yeah. At the end of the day, all I need is chase my fears to take me to the comfort zone, secret place you have at home. I know you know to please me, baby, and I know to please the lady. So special I adore. Baby girl, you look so fine. Baby, you blow my mind. And the comfort is hard to find. Let's have some fun this time. Just a little tenderness at the end of the day. All I need to chase my fears away. Everything I put in now, when I left nothing out the door, everything I go in, empty I empty the bucket. Empty. Empty bucket, see there? Empty bucket. Yeah man, empty bucket. Oh, so we do it. RFC way. Whole heap of people gather up. Yeah, man. Double box. The double box one. Oh, the box of $1,300. I can't show if you will. Buy the $900 one. The long box. I want this one. Turn leg. The long box.
No, not too bad.
Rich, millions, bullet, video again. It's on the steamer, I drop on the steamer upon it now. Dead. Steamer, RFC to the world. Rich. Millions for days. Millions for days, rich. 100 millions. You know how the game go, you see. Love your people, YouTube people. Love you know. fans for life. Loving them, my fans them. Yeah, man.
Rotation.
Yeah, rotation period back again. Yeah, man, fully rotating. And if you know, chef them all over the world, if you know the rotation period, something, you know. See me? And nobody teach me this, you know. You see me? I learn it out of my own brain. You see me? Yeah, man. God teach me that something, you know.
Yeah, God teach me that something.
Holy Ghost teach me that something, you know. Hold on. Hold on. Chicken and him.
Golden
Golden brown.
Real, man.
Fully golden. Fully golden brown. Yeah, man, I mean, catch me tight, my bad. Fully golden brown. RFC to the world. RFC, one RFC to the world. Rich, millions, fully. Yeah, man, see there? We are show the Colonel how much chicken you can fry in a one fryer. Colonel never did them something yet. Fried too much chicken in one fryer. And 100 somebody can get through. I say Blue Mountain Pig. Yeah, the Colonel. No, you can't fry so much chicken in one fryer. Look on it, Blue Mountain Pig. And every part of them are chicken are sweet. Look how we do it. Blue Mountain Pig. Yeah, forward now.
That chicken here better than KFC. The real chicken this. Street side chicken, yeah.
RFC.
Yeah, RFC.
Yeah, roadside fried chicken. No KFC.
Yeah, Blue Mountain Pig. See it there? Blue Mountain Pig we go with chicken. You ever see KFC go Blue Mountain Pig with chicken, so yes?
You want the recipe?
Okay.
You get the recipe of the KFC and then you say mad.
The little chef them from KFC can vex when me call KFC name, you see? A RFC boss is millions boss. You know we do the thing. And I hype not show off in our boss, I'm not shot like we vice course, but watch it. Chicken them, look on them. We speak for itself. The bar on no close. On nothing turn up. Girl, roll out. Mama. Bam!
Walk out, me girl, walk out. Here we a boy and a girl a talk about. Walk out, me girl, walk out. Bank book full of money, plus never in the show. Walk out, woman, walk out. And I got you to see your life start out. Walk out, woman, walk out. You don't see them that together when you start out. So girl I pop on a barrel and them just lip on them face so it never alligator. Them like coming like peas under pressure. Last match you take me them end up on a stretcher. She a go and girl I give a live better. In a girl waving shots and sweater. Then you wanna wait till man to give you dollar. Girl like road and I you be man ragga. Walk out me girl walk out. Here we a boy and a girl a talk out. Walk out me girl walk out. Bank book full of money, purse never in a joke. Walk out, mama walk out. Them a got you to them see your life start out. Walk out, mama walk out. You don't see them that together when you start out. First class pamphlet when you fly out. Anyway you touch in the sub out. The way you something tight, rich man I cry out. Can you get going on me baby? Some girl life miserable so them run away. You and your man gone cruise for the holiday. Say them a mix up, no listen when nobody say. Them a chip on funk, you got the remedy. And the way you wind up your body, like you're out for mad somebody. But some other girl want girl you happy. She will chop a chop and then girl lay a scabby. Anywhere you go, girl you acting like your clothes. Hair well done, your nails and your toes. And walk out, me girl walk out. Bank book full of money, purse never in a job. Walk out, mama walk out. Then my country to them see your life start out. Walk out, mama walk out. You know see them dirty girl when you start out. Walk out, mama walk out. Then my country to them see your life start out. So girl I hype up on a barrel under the saw. Lip on them face so it give a alligator. Them life coming like peas under pressure. Last man she take me arm end up on a stretcher. She a go and girl like you a live better. In a girl wavy shorts and sweater. You know one of money with a man to give you $1. Hot girl a road and I hit him on the radar. Walk out me girl walk up. Here where your boy and I gotta talk about. Walk out me girl walk out. Bank book full of money purse never in a drought. Walk out, mama walk out. Then my graduate to them see your life start out. Walk out, mama walk out. You just sit in the together when you start out. First class palm plane when you fly out. Anywhere you touch in this Hawaii out. Birds are them run away.
And style when you do it, isn't it? No, style. Can't catch the style and style are too tough.
You alone?
No, rotation period, man, mad man, and the maddest thing in the kitchen.
Yeah, man, I
no,
alone.
Yeah, man, I alone have style a lot. No, for rotate thing then. While the bottom come on top, while the top go the lower part of the fryer. Hold on a minute, I'm pay me. Hold on. Million, up there. Stop. Yeah, man. See it, yeah? Second round, you see it? Full up. RFC to the world. Our chicken well finger licking. Foot side ripping when them are skinny dipping. Ain't chipping. Boxes from boxes, the fries we pull. Like a truck from country all and a pull. When I fry, yeah. When I fry, I get everything here. Like chicken in a box already. Where's that? Oh, I thought. Are we? Wait, like you want to eat, right?
Yeah, can't go like it.
Oh, where you want? When the shell down, and it must, we're sending for more. Oh man, alright man. Body of it, number. Number 6. Yo. Oh no. No. Yeah, that's it. You look at me. Alright. There it's up. Number 5, number 7. 7. Leg and wing, 7. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can't open any of this. That's the first piece already still.
That's
different
what I
style
want to do.
Yeah, different style again. Yo, you don't know, you know. Fully. Chop where chop the line, that style, you know. Yeah, man. Chicken and chips way, you know. So we chop the line and make the millions, you know. Yeah, man. RFC to the world. Fully millions. Rich. All out. Yeah, man, your program na normal. Man, I think na formal, you know. You know. Look out. Oh, watch it till the end, you know. Hey, don't move that dial in. Where you do? Hey, go back on it. Go back on it. Put me back in one. You turn some man. Take it in one. Something else.
RFC, Rollington Town, one of the wickedest chicken in the entire Kingston. This man fried chicken ton loads, more than even KFC, me I tell you, and I just one person and the amount of chicken what the man fried. Crazy authentic vibe. So you know we dive in a piece already, but you know we can't leave, and we see the man fry the first batch and the second batch, and this is from out of the we actually taste from out of the first batch and we are going at the second batch. Whoa. RFC chicken, Rollington Town, crazy. Come get the sauce them, bro. Come get the sauce. come out and make him get the sauce. There's a bag of people just crowd up around here just to come get the fries and the chicken on a Friday and on a Saturday. I tell you. Crazy authentic vibe. Would have a forward back to come get some more of the fries and the chicken. RFC vibes. Yeah, man. Curry lovers from all over come at this spot every single year to try curry stuff, from curry fruits to curry food to curry seafood to curry meats, pure curry. Over 20 vendors to just vibes up your taste bud with a lot of curry. From Trinidadian dishes to our very own Jamaican backyard style curry. We're just there here for just try curry. This is Curry Festival in Kingston. So we're gonna head inside right now and just build some vibes, curry vibes. Yeah, man. So we're gonna kick off the Curry Festival. We're gonna try some refreshments from Snow Ice. So I don't know the vibes. They might give me something special. As me reach, they might give me something special for free. So we're gonna try this right now. Oh yeah, it's over this side. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is the vibe. Party King Snow Ice. Respect. This is the vibe. We're kicking off the Curry Festival from early with some snow ice. Oh yeah. Crazy vibes. So right now we're at Bulby stall right now. We're going to try some. Oh, Bulby, what are you going for try today?
Curry crayfish. People, and me first cook curry crayfish soup. Curry crayfish soup. You know why you know man talk about them first, alright?
Oh yes. Get copyright, but curry crayfish soup. Whoa! 10 out of 10. Nothing at all to complain about. Oh my God. This is literally one of the baddest soup me ever drink. Curry crayfish, only at Bulby soup. Right now, people around the stall just want to come try this. Remember, I tell you, we have a little piece of corn in it, crayfish in it. Oh, the vibes never stop. Curry crayfish is almost done already. This is giving me that pumpkin vibe, rich, even the color. It's giving me that pumpkin vibe with all of that goodness. I don't know, cooked down with every single thing that Bulby special, and added curry to that with crayfish. Oh my God, yeah man. Can I ribs this, chef?
Pork belly.
Is that that pork belly?
Yeah.
Oh. Curry pork belly?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. A Singapore noodles with pepper shrimp in there. Oh yeah? Yeah. Wow, nice. So we call it Swimsapore noodles. Swimsapore? Yeah. Nice. Pepper Swimsapore noodles. Wow. Oh yes. Ooh, yes. Bless up. Yeah. Oh yes. Oh yes. Wow, that's up. Non-stop vibes from behind the scene. It's just crazy. Everybody are prepared with the chalk, with breadfruit over here upon fire. It's just crazy. The vibes never stop. Everyone is cooking and the people them just are rolling now for the curry vibes. Everything curry today. Oh yes man. We tried that curry, that curry shrimp soup from Bulby, and that was a vibe. I will start off with a little cool vibes. I mean, I tell you, it's just crazy. And we're there for the vibes. We're there for the curry today. We see some curry duck. I go there. Stoked to try that curry duck. Oh, never tried that before. I've never tried duck before, and we're gonna try it today for the first time. Curry duck. Yeah man. Nice. I said the duck I go there.
Yeah man, duck there.
Curry duck.
Curry duck. Already a check-in here.
Would you hear that? So curry duck I go there up on the menu. Can't wait to try that. Yes, I want to try the duck. Crazy vibe. So first day here, Curry Festival. The place is filling up right now. A bunch of people coming in. We don't know yard life that will pass through early. Come get some vibes, some early vibes. Yeah man, before they eat it, really eat it. Yeah man. So this is the curry duck.
Yes, my boss.
Wow. Nice. It's a little spice on it. It's a little spice. Hold on, this is the mango. Which sauce that?
June plum chutney.
Oh yeah? Nice. This was my first time eating duck, and it was curry. Very spicy and meaty with bones. Turkey neck kind of vibes. Also that June plum chutney was definitely a plus with that chickpeas. I said curry bun dog today?
Yeah man, ready and live. Active my friend. See it here? We have all the curry sauce, everything with it. Yeah man, well spicy. So bun dog them up on the grill. That's it.
Crazy vibe. So we just try some duck. My first time ever having duck, and it was curry. And now we're there. And we're gonna try some sweet and spicy curry mango wings. Sweet and spicy curry mango wings. We're gonna say all this taste. Oh yes. So this is sweet and spicy curry mango.
Yeah.
Wow. So what's the catch?
We bring something different. Everybody will come with the same thing every year. So we're going out with thinking box, and we'll come up with sweet chili mango.
Wow.
Curry mango.
Crazy.
Wow.
Crazy.
Why you look so you get this nowhere else.
Nowhere else.
Only at Wagwan Cafe. Come and check us out. Yeah, Arbor Street, downtown Kingston.
Crazy. So right now we're going to try some sweet and spicy curry mango wings. This is something different, and can't wait to try this. We'll dip in at the bar. What? Oh yes, this is the vibe right here. I'm a lover of curry, and this is mango. Just add to that because I'm also a lover of mango. That spice not kicking that hard when it run to your nose, but it tastes in spice.
So yesterday we tell no lie. Look at his face while eating our curry mango.
This is a vibe.
Yeah, big up Wagwan Cafe, downtown Arbor Street, Kingston. Downtown Kingston, come check us out.
Crazy. We're going to go for one more wing. One more. This is the vibe. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah.
Come on, everyone.
That's the vibe. Crazy. Yo, Michael is enjoying this. This is so good. Curry Festival is a vibe. Also got top that with some garlic bread. That wings with garlic bread. The taste where you can't get tired of. Garlic. Oh yeah. What are the wings them? This wings is a vibe. The curry don't overpower the mango, neither the mango flavor don't overpower the curry. It's just a natural taste where it's kind of unique and also giving it that vibe, that unique taste where it's like you're falling in love with it every time you take a bite from it. Oh yeah, vibe. What we have answer to that?
Jerk chicken breast.
Just breast?
Yes, just the breast. Curry flavor up.
Oh.
Right, so everything is gonna be curry. You know
Nice.
that, right? So the
Nice.
curry jerk chicken.
Oh,
Right.
curry jerk chicken breast.
And going to pasta as well.
Oh, yeah.
So it can be added to the pasta as well.
Nice.
So you have the curry jerk chicken pasta. So that will work. Put in some lobster as well. This is a curry shrimp being done. Yeah. And you're gonna have curry crab soup.
Curry crab soup.
Yes.
Whoa.
And so this is curry crab now. Right? Right? And you have a
Nice.
special pumpkin rice with curry. Curry pumpkin rice.
Whoa.
Which is being done here. Garlic.
Curry crab soup. we'll try some curry shrimp soup, but this is curry crab soup. The crazy stuff that is on the menu because it's curry festival.
Curry crab and lobster, straight from Island Vibes. So we're outside supporting the Kingston Curry
Nice.
Festival, yeah.
These are the curry crab soup.
Yeah, curry and lobster.
Oh, curry and lobster. Oh, crazy.
Need to bubble up a little bit, boy.
Nice.
Crab over here.
So it's not just food, all type of stuff. It's not just food. Even Jamaican branded t-shirts are here. It's just crazy. Everybody showing off them stuff. Everything curry and everything Jamaican at that crazy vibes. Yeah, man.
Okay, so it's a bubble drink. So it comes with fruit flavored bubble.
Hold on, are these popping in your mouth?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Crazy vibes, crazy. So not need this for curry?
No.
Alright.
It complements the curry.
Alright,
Yeah.
nice. Crazy authentic vibes. Make sure you check out Bar and Bubbles. Authentic vibes. Yeah man.
Yes, we're here at the Kingston Curry Festival, 3T's Boutique, with our high quality stainless steel jewelry and accessories. You can take a look. Something for everybody.
Nice.
Yeah.
Purse, wallet, everything.
Everything.
Purse, wallet,
Something for everybody. Yes. Can get your Christmas gift early. We're having a sale. Buy one any item and get the second one half off. Equal or lesser value.
Not just food, clothes and jewelry here at Curry Festival. Vibes, yeah man.
We got the Bridging Sheriff as well. Rainforest Seafoods, Fame FM. Get ready to yam.
Baka noodle soup.
What kind of soup?
Baka noodle.
Baka noodle.
Yeah, spicy ale.
Wow, nice.
And we have curry goats with the white rice.
Nice.
Some sweet pepper. Sweet pepper. Who about black pepper fry? No, no, put that in there. You want that? Crab. Crab ready? Show water.
Man, I've made the crab in its own juice. Just look on that right from out of the big pot. I've made that as it come out. Just look on that. That looks so good.
Let's send one now.
So just some curry lobster. We see that crab are made in its own juice, and that lobster looking so good. Just some coconut milk add to that and some sweet pepper. The vibe is here and the music is loud. And the food, the place smells so good. And remember, it's not just food. A bag of people come out with a lot of other stuff like jewelry, clothes, a lot of stuff that represents Jamaica, not just curry festival, but mainly the food is curry, but a lot of stuff here, a lot of Jamaican stuff actually here, just here on display. A lot of Jamaican stuff here on display, like shirts and jewelry and all of that. Crazy authentic vibe. I take a look on the grill now. Yeah?
Good old ribs, you know?
Wow.
Curry jerk ribs.
It's a curry jerk ribs.
Yeah.
Wow.
Only island vibe they get this kind of vibe, right?
Nice. So the ribs is right there, the crab is right here, the lobster is right here. A bag of vibes are going around here.
Tell them where them get it. Island vibe.
It's the island vibe.
Only island vibe.
Only.
Manor Park, yeah?
Wow. I believe that's all, folks.
So we have curry oxtail, curry goat,
nice,
curry saltfish.
Oh, curry saltfish.
Yeah.
Whoa.
One of the best on our menu, curry pig tail.
Oh yeah. Whoa.
Curry pork.
Nice.
And curry pumpkin.
Oh, curry pumpkin.
Yep. Everything curry.
Everything curry. Vibe.
Curry potatoes.
Oh. Wow. Curry potato, curry pumpkin, curry pigtail, curry saltfish. The vibe is just crazy right here. A lot of food, a lot of vendors, a lot of food stalls around here to choose from. But my mama tell you, it's just the vibe. We're here for the food and we're here for the vibes. And this is Bertie's
Herbalife iced tea.
Nice.
Guarana, NRD.
So this is the curry pigtail from Bertie's Catering. This is a vibe right here. We're going to try the curry pigtail. first time trying anything that is definitely a unique taste and flavor. Oh yeah. Yo, this big deal is a vibe. Whoa. Big deal is definitely a vibe. Yeah, man. Why, chef, active?
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
Oh, do you understand?
Wow. Alright, the curry looking so vibrant and good. Wow.
Right, run this one.
I get to go for a while, but I miss him and go for a parking. Come.
Alright, we just have to throw the sauce, but we don't boil it tonight. You understand? You understand? We're just going to throw the sauce on it. Once the sauce make,
it's a jerk curry ribs.
yeah, jerk curry ribs. Yeah, we just make jerk the ribs and just make a nice curry sauce.
Only from Island 5. So they have some green plantain?
Yeah, man, green plantain cups, you see me I say?
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Nice. Oh, wow.
Get in there.
Wait, so hold on, the coal actually dip on top?
Yeah, it's an oven.
Whoa.
See it. But I choose the other two, so it's not a problem.
Alright?
Oh yes, crazy. So we get some ribs, we get some jerk curry ribs. So we are gonna dip in this right now. Also we get some mashed potato on the side and thing. When you know the vibes, everything curry. Try some of this mashed potato. Wow. Yo, this actually tastes like breadfruit, you know, right? Breadfruit. But yo, I'm going at the ribs. With half a forward, come try the ribs. Whoa. This is jerk curry ribs. Oh. Hold on. Yo, this is a vibe. Curry Festival is a vibe. We see a lot of stuff on the menu, a lot of seafood and a lot of meat. And not just food, but also clothes, also jewelry. Everything we have to do with Jamaica. Even though it's a curry festival, everything we have to do with Jamaica is here. So clothes, jewelry, on the menu also. Well, this rib is a vibe. We actually saw this on the grill, getting that burnt vibes. This well seasoned down to the bone. And then they make the curry sauce, and you don't know, just beat that tonight. Beat that. We see crabs on the menu, shrimp on the menu, lobster on the menu, chicken on the menu, a bag of stuff. But you don't know. Yeah man, this jerk is a vibe. This jerk curry ribs is a vibe. A lot of music, a lot of people in the place. The place is just vibes. We know we're going to get copyright, but we're there going to eat and have vibes at Kingston Curry Festival. Yeah man.
Your life's good.
Ah, Bob said that, you know?